on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Motovlog here, and if you're looking to get a sport glide in 2021, well, I got some news for you. Stay tuned. So, good news. There's a few bikes that are going to be cut from, I guess it's bad news, but the Harley Davidson lineup, especially the Softails. You got the FXDR, the Deluxe, which in my opinion was it's a beautiful bike, but it's kind of like a Heritage without the bags for like the same price. You also get the what do you call it, the breakouts going away, and I think maybe the Street Bob. I'm not sure about that one, but people said that it's going away now that the Softail standard is going in full production. So the Sport Glide survived the cuts. And I got some pictures right here that are previously not seen before, because on it's either the 18th or 19th, Harley Davidson's doing a online only reveal, you know, for the next model year reveal, I guess you could call it. It's only online, first time ever because of COVID-19. And I got some pictures of the 2021 Sport Glide, and there's probably more colors than what I have seen, but all I have is pictures. I don't have any specs, I don't have any pricing, but based off the pictures is what we got. So first off, we have Harley Black right here. You can see it's the most common color from Harley is black, and I know that black does not give you an upcharge of price when you get it, so just know that. But if you notice here, the bags are painted the same color as the rest of the bike. So anybody that doesn't know much about the Sport Glide, they come like a flat black regularly, and a lot of people spend about $400 some odd getting these painted on the aftermarket to match their bags. Now they're coming from the factory the same color, which is awesome, right? I mean, come on, awesome. Finally they listened about the bags. Another thing that's coming out here is the next color is a white color, and I don't know the names of these, so I don't know the names of them, but this white color I think looks pretty sharp, and it's really pronounced on this bike here. Besides the painted bags, you also see the tank and the emblem are a little bit different. The current Sport Glides come with a different emblem, which I'll show right here, and this is a new emblem, and you can see the tank graphics a little bit different too. I like it. I like the change. It kind of gives it more of that sportier look, I guess, and it is a Sport Glide. So this last color is my favorite. It is a gray color, it's like a liquid gray, I call it. That's what I call it. It's probably some kind of different, like, fancy Harley name, but gray. And I think it's the best looking color out of the colors that I've seen. I love gray. My car is gray. It's a good looking bike. So anyways, let me know what you think about in the comments. What do you think? Sport Glide survived, and we got new colors, and you know, from what I could tell, it's still got the 107, so nothing changed there. But I think it's just the colors changed, which is awesome. So anyways, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button right down here, hit subscribe, and until next time, I will see you later. Peace out, y'all.